We just got our delivery from BucePlant, so I'm coming to you live with my first unboxing video. Let's check it out. Oh, there it is. Gotta say hi to my husband first so that he knows that I'm getting it. Nice packaging. All right, let's get some scissors, get into this baby. We've been waiting a long time for this. It's really exciting to be able to escape our new tank. All right, I'm gonna open it. Got scissors. All right, I've got the box ready to open. Wanted to show you guys what we see. It's definitely cold. Oh, all right. Take this out. I've got some cryptocorn parva. Looks pretty nice. Looks like it's in good condition, I'd say. Great. Another type of cryptocorn. This one is cryptocorn myoya. Oh, wow. That one looks cool. Looks a little bit brown, maybe? No, actually, I think that's just the gel at the bottom. Yeah, the leaves are nice and green. Looks great. Got a heat warmer. Not hot anymore. Ooh, got some little doobies. Philanthus flutans red root floater. Wow. Ooh, they look good. They look good to me, I think. And then, yes, a beautiful BucePlant pin. Wow. I think we got everything. Looks good to me. All right, well, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and comment. Let me know what other content you're looking to see. We'll be scaping this tank probably tonight, maybe tomorrow, since we're getting some other plants coming in from another place. Actually, I think those are supposed to get here today. So lucky visitors will get to see 2 unboxing videos in one day. So give me a like, give me a subscribe, let me know what you think about the video, and let me know what other kind of content you're interested in. And we'll be coming back to you.